Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us live here on India Today. I'm Akshita Nandagopal joining you from Chennai. The city has come out in large numbers to vote. We're seeing voting currently happening in Tamil Nadu, Kerala as well as Puducherry. I want to start off with some big breaking news coming in the hotly contested Coimbatore South seat. Makkal Needhi Mayam Chief Kamal Haasan has now given a petition to the South Coimbatore election officer alleging that the BJP has been distributing tokens as a promise for giving money post-election on their victory. Kamal has now filed that petition seeking action against the BJP. The Bharatiya Janata Party on their part have come out to refute these charges. Vanitha Srinivasan, who's fighting against Kamal in that seat, has tweeted saying that Congress and MNM, they're stage managing to defame the BJP by saying that they're distributing tokens. Vanitha has also said that there's no truth to these allegations. Kamal Haasan, after casting his vote here in Chennai, made his way back to his constituency, Coimbatore South, where he is fighting against Vanitha Srinivasan. He's claiming that tokens are being given to voters, promising that money will be given by the BJP if the Saffron Party wins post the election. Pramod Madhav is joining us with more details on this. Pramod, any proof based on which, the Makkal Needhi Mayam and the Congress is putting forth this allegation?
Well, Makkal Needhi Mayam has very clearly been giving out videos and pictures for this, and since yesterday they were also alleging that several unknown personnel in that constituency were coming over. They were trying to provide utensils and home appliances and even money that was placed inside a neatly wrapped cover, almost 2,000 rupees, 500 rupees notes in it. And this is the kind of allegation they were raising until yesterday. And now Kamal Haasan has gone forward and said that tokens have been issued over there and they are carrying certain pink slips, which they called as tokens provided by BJP. It's an allegation. And that's the reason Kamal has gone ahead there after casting his vote in Tamil Nadu and has filed a complaint now.
Okay, Pramod, request you to stay on with me.